Back to CODE.IN. This is the day 3 of our HTML learning series. Today we are going to learn some of very important HTML concept. Okay, that is today's topic is meta tags, a important text formatting tags, and anchor tag link and attributes. Okay, at this end of the class, we are going to build a simple product listing page. Okay, that product listing page is nothing but like how Amazon or Flipkart is showing their product page, right? At end of this class, we are going to build like a page like that using this tags. Okay, first, let's understand what is meta tag. Meta tag is nothing but it is used to give information to the browser and search engine. Okay, it gives some information about the web pages. Meta tags is always written inside the head. If you write meta tag inside body, the browser will not consider it. Okay, some of the important meta tags are char set. Char set is used to define character encoding. Uh, we we usually use UFT8. UFT8 supports English, Indian languages, symbols, and emojis. Okay, description in a meta tag is used for search result. If you search something on Google, you can see two three lines below the website title, right? That comes from meta tag, description meta tag. Okay, that this description helps the search engine. Okay, viewport. Viewport helps for mobile responsiveness. It controls how website look on mobile devices. Okay, CARSET is character encoding. Viewport for mobile responsiveness. Description about the web page, information about the web page. Next, we see important text formatting tags. These are the some of the important text formatting tags. B tag for bold, strong for important text, I for italic, EM for emphasis, mark for highlight, delete for deleted text, ins for inserted text, small for small text. Let's see how in real time how these are differ, where which tag should use where. Okay, next one is links in HTML. To create a link in HTML, we use an anchor tag. Okay, that is a tag. Anchor tag used to link one page to another. Uh, Here, hreffer is an attribute. Let's explain that what is mean by attributes. If you give Google URL in hreffer, uh, if we click go to Google, it takes you to the Google page. Okay, hreffer means nothing but hyperlink reference. It tells the browser where to go. Okay, here hreffer is an attribute. Next topic is our attributes in HTML. Attribute is nothing but it gives extra information about HTML tag. Attributes always written inside the opening tag. Okay, see hreffer is written in opening tag, right? See, open Google means it shows the link address which where should go the Google. It should go the Google page, right? It give hreffer will give the link address. Another important attribute for anchor tag is target. Target blank means it open in a new tab. If another one is self. Self means it open in a same page. Uh, these are the basic tags. But remember, every website uses this tag. Okay, whether it is a small site or a big e-commerce website, we can see all these tags works using in a HTML. Okay, now open your VS Code. Let's see how these tags are using in real life, then build a product page. Okay, now open and save day3.html, and then let's write HTML5. you can see meta tags, right? UFT8 name viewport, and then how with equal to device means if we reduce the device size, yeah, then the width also will reduce. This is for mobile responsive. Okay. Now create a page. Now we are going to create product page. Okay, let's give the heading for this smartphone. Then I'm using image tag. Image tag is nothing but to give a image. Okay, to give a proper. If you need a free image, then we best website is uh, you can use from un plus. Here we can get a free image. Okay, what is our for smartphone, right? Okay, okay, we can take this one. Let's wait. We are copying image address, and we have to give here uh, what is the image address. I'm showing how to download image, how to give file path and all later. Now simply copy that image and here alt is an attribute. This is mainly for in a real-time website we used to have multiple image. Here we used one image, so no need to give smartphone. If doesn't load, if comes error, we know which image we have given. In real time, we used multiple image means we don't know which error which image we have given, right? That's why we use alt. If we give that name, then we can show which image is error, right? Then we can use some of the tags we have learned, right? Okay. Mm, then first something about this product important, we can I said we used to use strong, right? See, now I'm using the deal of the day. This is the today's deal as we can see in Amazon or something. Deal of the day we will see, right? So that is a important today's for today. This is uh, important, right? So I'm using in strong. If it is important, we have to use in a strong tag. Then we are using price. Price also we can see new price and old price. If something anything if we have uh, discount means we used to say that two old prices strike outed and new price will be written, right? That for we have used delete. If we use delete, then that old price is deleted. New price we can write using insert. This span style red color means that is of comes from CSS. Now I Now it's no need for us. Let's learn only HTML. After that, we will study CSS line. Okay, we have seen that inside. Now you can see the difference while running. Okay, then what we will see? We can see free delivery. Okay, replacement. This and all in Amazon or Flipkart. While purchasing a product, you will see, right. Now we can write for that. Okay. Okay, free delivery means we have to say this product is free delivery. That should be highlighted. To highlight, we can use mark. Okay, free shipping or free delivery, same thing. Okay. Then if it is important, we should use in EM, right? Limited time offer. Okay. Okay, then see here we have used H2 tag, heading tag, image tag, some text formatting tag, strong, then delete, insert, then a mark em, right? Then we have seen anchor tag. We are now using anchor tag. Okay. Here anchor tag, okay, target plan by now. So now we are going to use here Amazon link. Okay, that then you can show how it's going to that Amazon page. .in. Okay, I'm using Amazon link. Okay, again in down in small letters we used to see terms and condition applies, right? That we can write in small. First, okay, this we can write, or we can write. See, now let's save and run. Yesterday I'm given how to install live server, right? If you seen, okay, if you don't seen, you can see that video and install it. If you right click open with live server, we get. Otherwise, here go live. If we click, we will. Okay, we can see the smartphone heading. The image tag is came. Then okay, image with this large, right? We saw that we can write here with this is another one attribute. Let's save. Then again we can run. Ah, see here smartphone image is common deal of the day that we have given in strong, right? So it's showing in uh, bold. Okay, then see how it's showing price. Old price is 25,000, now it's 15,000. We can use CSS to change the color and importance. Then free shipping we have used in mark tag, so it is highlighted. Limited time offer we have used in small letters. No, limited time is important, right? So we have used in emphasis. Then by now, we have given anchor tag. We have given Amazon link. If we click, it will show go to the Amazon product page. Okay, because why it's showing in new tab, we have given a target called blank. Now see note offer valid while stock last. Okay, that is in small text. This is how Amazon page and Flipkart page will show the product. Exactly, we cannot do alone HTML. We need CSS to style according to that. Okay, now we have Using this uh, basic tags, we have created product page, right? Okay, now you understand how to use these tags, and then how to create a product page. Okay, tomorrow we are going to see image tag. Today itself we have seen how to give the image tag, how to give the width and alternate name and all. Tomorrow I am going to show a file path, how to download, how to give that name. Okay, then list, unlist